The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Meeker County, east central Canby, Ohio County, until 3 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Atwater, or 9 miles east of Wilmer, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Atwater, Grove City, and Canby, Ohio. This includes U.S. Highway 12 between mile markers 78 and 97. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.